Okay, we golong. Okay, so today now we will do what? Pipe drive. Okay, let us see what pipe drive is used for. Huh. Say what? Say pipe drive is a what now? It's a multinational what? Cloud-based software as a service. Okay, funded in what? Estonia. As far as I'm concerned, I'm sharing my screen now. This is our pipe drive now, and you say what? You say it's a what? It's a CRM software primarily used for what? For sales pipeline and what? Management, and then deal tracking. You see it now that it helps businesses to what now? To organize their sales process, automate tasks, and what? Manage contacts and track what? Activities. Can you see that here? Now it also say what? That ultimately the aiming is to what now? Is to streamline operations and what? Improve the conversation rates. That is what you're going to do with what? With pipeline tonight. So then pipeline also allow you to what now? To manage your sales pipeline and then also manage your what? Your lead generation. It's just in fact it also help you to what now? To qualify your what? Your leads. Yes, it help you to what? To qualify leads, as well as helping you to what now? To taking your customer what? Your customer queries through your what? Your chat widget. Some of you have already done that widget part on your site. So I saw it the other day. I think I also saw some today that somebody actually did it and then put it on their blogspot site. That is actually very, very awesome. Okay. So we are going to what, do some little of it today. Anywhere we stop now, we'll finish it up tomorrow or whenever we meet. Okay. That is just the way it is. So we will now go and do what now? Start using Pipe Drive. So the website is what? Is pipedrive dot what? Pipedrive dot com. So you see Pipe Drive here now. This is just Pipe Drive. This is just how it looks like. So as usual, I will copy the link and share with you. And if you're watching from the YouTube, it should be my what? My description. So don't forget that. Now this is the link now. Can you see the link now? That's the link towards to Pipe Drive. So follow me up now. So you can see now that this is Pipe Drive now. This is their website. And they say we should what? We should try for free, right? You can try it for free. In it. Oh yes. So how do we start now? You can actually click here or what? Click here. You know, say not mature. I'm not supposed to waste time teaching all this signing up process now because you people are now matured babes. Any small thing and I don't graduate. We not forget our town one. People will not go away and start becoming good boy. I mean big boys and big girls. Thick madam and thick woman. So you say what? You say start closing more deals with what? With Pipe Drive. Get 14 days of what? On us. What do you do here now? Check here. Check here and do what now? You see where they say Google this one here? Click on this Google logo here so that you can sign up with your what Google account. And then from this part now, what do you do next now? Select your what? Select your Google account. I want to use that one. Then do what next? Click on what? Continue. You see now, I am now here, right? You say what best describes you. Okay, your name is what? Pulse Beat. I want to change it to what? Dr. Tanwa. Say, okay. Dr. what? Otanwa go to Okwakuya. Let me see. Tanwa. Maybe Otanwa Zeborodaya. Okay. Okay, then what is the next thing? Say what? Say which job title describes your best or your role best. So use the what? Use the highest one here, okay? So for me now, I will use what? VP or CEO, right? Then have you used CRM before? I would say yes, because I don't use it. I don't use HubSpot, Freshdesk, and Co. Right? So now it's not saying my phone number, right? I don't want to put anything there. So I'll do what now? Check on this box and do what? Continue. Click on next here. So I must put phone number, Abi. This one, they know the fear. Just put order and do what now? Put anything here. Just put 070 blah 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 blah. Okay, then do what now? Click on next here. You say what? Company name, Abi. Somebody should mute, please. Company name is what now? Otama what? Otama PLC. Then how big now? It's just simply asking me what? How many people working there? I will say okay, 11 to 50. Then which industry are we in? Of course, it be construction or anything that you like, okay? So how many people in your company will use Pipe Drive? I will say what? 6 to 10. Then do what now? Click on next. So it is now asking us to what now? What is our goal, right? Of course, people know what this goal here means. I don't want to repeat this thing because we have talked about goals so many times. So the goal is what you plan to what you plan to achieve using this tool. You see now, you say what? Customize pipe drive using my own data, improve customer communication, optimize custom or and automate my sales process, blah blah blah. So you can do what? You can actually check all of them here. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Then do what? You see where they say create account here? Click it now. Okay, so you allow time for you to what now? To tailor your account for you so that you can start what? Enjoying. Okay. So now that we are here now, our next job is to what now? Is to escape this setup or to exit this setup now and then go and focus on the what on what matters. Okay. You see now some of you will come and ask me, I only have one icon here. My own is only showing setup. Look at what I'm clicking now. You see this small drop down here, this triangle that is pointing down. Click it and you have a what? Full interface. You see it now? Not come ask me again now. If you just verse, call liquid for you. You see now, this one is a what now? These are what now? Our setup page now. But everything is already okay here. We can just do what now? Go to our lead here. Okay, here now we have what? This is our pipeline. You see that we have our pipeline look here. This is our pipeline. You see here? When you say somebody is qualified, what does it mean? Mean that person can what now? Can buy your product, Abi. What about contact made? So you made the contact now towards to confirm if they are interested in buying your thing or when they wish to what? To start buying it. Okay? Then when you make the call now, they'll tell you what they need, Abi. So that's what they say needs defined here. And then when they tell you their need now, what do? You can ask, okay, your cost estimate is what? Is maybe this say this amount, Abi. Now when you make the call estimate, what do? You can send them a what? Send them a proposal. And then when you finish that, what do you say? You can start negotiating on what? On what you actually did what? Propose for them. That is just what this in here is. This is just a what? A small pipe drive. You can still see your contact. You see where they say contact. You can simply go on now. You can simply click there and all of that. But then what do you do now? Just what? Click on continue here. See that we are now in our contacts now, Abi. So this is just how our contact is going to work now. How our contact will look like. I see that the contact here is showing our what? It's showing the what? The name of the what of our contact, the label that we assigned to them, where they are coming from. Are they from maybe Table Water or from Netflix or from Google? That's what you're going to put here. Then what about the email address? You can specify that one here. Then their phone number, right? So in other words, this one is just like we have it on our what? On our contact tab of HubSpot, right? Then what do you need now? Go and say what? Continue. You see here now, okay? It says schedule activities to what? To engage with your contact, Abi. So you can actually schedule them for what now? For different stuffs. Maybe you want to like have meetings with them and all of that. That's why you have what? Activities here. You see calendar here, Abi. Now let us now go and look at the leads now. So this is where I will not take us say. I will not say, okay, let us come and do what now? Let us start doing our class in what? In a interactive way. So someone should tell us what is a lead now. This is our lead now. You see this thing will be like wait till the shoot gun here, Abi. Then be lead now. So the lead here contains what? Contains your possible leads and what? And the possible means of what? Of getting this lead on what? Using Pipedrive. You see that we have these features here. We have a lead inbox, we have a live chat, we have what? Chatbots, we have web forms, we have what? Prospector, we have web visitors and what? Messaging, right? So these are all what? The features to help us and what? And capture what? Capture leads now. Now some of you are wondering like, how am I going to be able to capture leads using live chat? Now remember that if you go to any live chat, you know that they would ask you for your name, your email address, and then your name, Abi. That has actually made you a what? A lead automatically. But some of you don't know because thank God for digital witch in it. Yes, thank God for digital witch. Now you can see that we have live chat here, and then we also have what now? We also have chatbot, Abi. So these two, you know, they really are not the same. Oh. Are they the same? Mbano. You see this chatbot here can work what? Can work independently. In it, can work independently here. But you see this live chat can also work with what? It can be two ways. It can work independently when there's nobody there, and then when actually you what now? If you actually automate it to work what on independently. But it will always work what without you being there. It will still what? It will still function. Okay, so that's what you call it what live chat. Live chat is called so because what? Because it works what in real time. Why people are you are giving support as what as they are chatting with you now. You are what you are giving them support that they need. Somebody say Ottawa PLC. I bought 55 connect. I never see am for my Upwork account. So me now say okay, log out and what now and log in. So I'm giving you what live chat or live support, right? That kind of thing. Then this chatbot here is what is pre-programmed. Okay. In this our okay, you know when you watch video that that I made now, you see that what now that actually it was able to what now to qualify leads even when you are not there, right? It was able to qualify leads when you chat it now. It will ask you for your financial status, blah blah blah, and then it will not be able to what now to like say okay, this customer is actually fit for what my product. But that was being done when I was sleeping, or maybe when I was climbing ladder, or maybe when I was pushing truck, or maybe I was singing for for Cynthia and that kind of thing. I was not there doing it myself, but this thing was actually doing there on its own. So these are what now? These are two ways to what to capture your leads on what on Pipedrive. Then we also have what web form. You see this web form now. Some of you already know what this web form is. So I don't need to worry about it. Yesterday itself, we created a web form yesterday for for HubSpot, and we even created automation for it, right? Then we also created a web form for other tools that we have done in the past. I think we built a form using Google Drive. We build a form using which one again, money.com and all of that, so on and so forth, Abby. So when you fill the form, what happens now? You become what a lead in here. So these are all ways of what now? These are all different features on what on Pipedrive that can help you to what now to capture your what your leads, right? So I think we'll start doing this one very very soon. Just pay attention, guys. It's either going to be tonight or tomorrow by 9 p.m. Okay. Now we have what now prospector. You see prospector here. Prospector is like what on Pipedrive now. They give you a what a feature that allow you to what now to find prospective what clients for your what for your products, your businesses, and what and the services. Okay, it is here now, but I don't think it's actually open for us as free users. Okay, I don't think it's actually free for us to use. There you have what web visitors. This one is where you now do what now create a website for your what for your business. So Pipedrive, if you pay them this amount here, they allow you to what now to create a what a website, and on the website you can now do what now get to see your customers as they come and as they go. All right, that is just how it is here. So we now have messaging. You see this messaging here. Eh, when you now integrate this Pipedrive into your maybe your Facebook Messenger or your maybe your LinkedIn Messenger, what happen now? You'll be seeing the messages what from here. Okay, that is why they put all these things here. That is just it, guys. It's not more than this. Okay. Then we have what you see that we have deals here, Abi. Your deals now is more like what now? Is where you actually do what now? You see that it's actually more like you are trying to what maybe say qualify your customers again. Now you can have what say okay, this guy now is a what is a qualified what customer. What do you do? You can do what now? Reach out to them and say, please, sir, are you interested in our business or our product and all of that? Okay. Then if he now tells you what he needs now, what do you do now? I think I've actually explained this one before now, right? So you can even create a deal by doing what now? See where they say create a deal here. See this plus here. Click on this one to what now to start creating a deal here. You can now do what now? Put the contact person's name here, and the person must be in your contact list, right? Then where the person they work, you put them here. Wetin be a title? Is he a CEO, a be doctor, a be whatever? Put that one here. Now this is your deal now. How much is the deal worth? Put the amount here. Okay, is it in naira? Abi it is in kwasha? Abi it is in cedi or Cameroonian what? Is it not Cameroonian CFA? Select it here and do what now? Put it now. Now you see this pipeline stage here. Okay, which one now? Have you called this person? Abi I don't understand the needs. Abi you have actually given him an estimate. You do what now? Put it here if it's an estimate, Abi. If it's only here that you have done, now do what and say, okay, the person actually is to qualify what? It's a qualified lead, right? Then you are good. What about the label here? You can do what now? Add your label here, and then you see it here. You can tell us what when the date is supposed to be what? When the meeting is supposed to be what? Supposed to be, or when the deal is supposed to be what? It's supposed to be closed, right? Then, who owns this deal? Is it the CEO? Or be the cashier? Or whatever? You can do what now? Specify that one here, right? That kind of thing. When you're done now, you can ask, okay, the source now. Now, the source simply means what? How did you get this client or this customer? How did you get him into your Pipedrive? Is it through your live chat, be your web visitors, be market space, be from your web forms, be from your prospector? Like, how did you get this guy? Did you get him when you went out there to go and shout for customers? When you went to morning cry, when you were praying and in the street in the morning? For club. I mean now when they come to your website, that kind of thing, right? That is how you mean by what? By source. You see source here now. Then you cannot have okay source what channel ID. So everything that you see here, if you are getting into what through a web form, the web form must have what ID here. That kind of thing. Okay. When you're done, what do you do now? Click on what? Click on save. But before then, you must put in the what the person's what phone number and what email address here. Okay, when you don't do what now, click on what? Click on save, and then it will not be what added here as a what? As a deal. Okay. Then we have our what? Our project. See that we have project here. Now, this project now, gives you a what now? A kind of interface that that feels like what? That feels like Trello. Where you can now say, okay, maybe tomorrow now you want to go and contact this customer. You do what now? Put that as a what now? As a task. Then maybe you want to assign your driver to go and what? To go and carry those goods from the what? From the wharf. You put what? Take goods or pick goods from the what? From the wharf. Then maybe your designer has to go and do what now? Your designer has to go and what now? You have to go and buy more materials because okay, material shopping tomorrow, right? You can use this one now for it, okay? I don't want to touch all this in here because I feel like today we should just do small preambles, okay? Then tomorrow now we can now hit them what on the head because this one you're seeing here is what it's actually very very broad. I don't want to rush it for you guys. So you see that we have campaign here again now, Abi. Eh. So we did campaign on what? On we did campaign on HubSpot, that kind of thing, Abi. So we know what it means now to what to do campaign. Campaign is what now? An outreach to reach out to your what to your customers or potential customer now, telling them about your what your products and services, so that from that means now you can now what get those that are interested now can what now maybe can sign up or fill a form and then become your what your potential leads or customers, right? So that is the essence of what of campaign. In fact, in a normal sense, your campaign is simply what you that is looking. So your campaign can be what now? Can be what? Can be your email outreach. It can be your WhatsApp blast message or broadcast message. It can be going to this class now that we are doing now. When we are now finishing our maybe next week now, say we'll be done, Abi. So your campaign is more like what now? You carry your business WhatsApp link now, and then you post it and say, okay, if you want to buy knicker or boxers or laptop, do what now? Please DM me for what? For a good offer. That is a what? It's a campaign. So it's only about email campaign, okay? Now we have what? You see that we have sales inbox here. Yeah, sales inbox is for what now? Is for you and your what and your and your customer when they start buying from you. Now you can see their messages in here, right? That kind of thing. They can see that we have activities here, Abi. So things that you plan to do for the what for the week. Maybe who you want to maybe who you want to what maybe who person that you want to maybe reach out to through email or through call or maybe like now maybe say for instance now, okay, if you're into real estate now, okay, this here is where you now do what now. So okay, maybe that customer or maybe that client maybe say you want to go see that maybe you want to go see that property for for Aja. You become so you can say okay, maybe his name is what? His name is Moses. You can say okay, Moses what? Moses what? Client. Then what would you be coming to do now? Say okay, you coming for what now? For what? For visitation or what? Or for consultation. You can do what? Put that one here now, right? Put his email address now, his phone number and what now, and then that cannot be your what? Your activity on what? On your pipe drive, right? We have what? Our contact. Of course, you know what the contact means now, Abi. Your contact is just like you have them on your Apollo. Sorry, as you have them on your what? On your HubSpot and so on and so forth. The same thing applies here as well. You can even export them and what? And import them, that kind of thing. Then we have your what? Your insight is here. Your insight is simply your what? A kind of report showing you how you are what? How you are performing. So you say you go set goals. You see your report here. You can see your report here, like how you are performing, which time did you perform? Did you perform well this month? Did you reach your targets this month or last week? You can see them in your what? In your in this your insight here, right? Then we have what? We have products. See products here. Yesterday in our hotspot, we did what? We built product Abi. Something applies here today. They can actually add the product here. Okay? Add the product here now. Let me show you. See now. Look at it now. You see now? You see them now, Abi. I say, okay. What the product is say what? It say beard cream, Abi. Beard what? Beard cream. Beard cream, Abi. That's the model of product. Then what is the product code? You can simply put the product code there if you want. Maybe say 79 blah 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 and all of that, right? Then what category is it now? Is it for skin or for hair or for is it is it something that you can actually spray? Is it for skin, for lip, abi for hair, whatever, you can put that one here when you are ready for that. Then how much is the unit is the how much is the unit price? Put that here. Then you see, are you seeing this bleeding frequency here again? You see where they say one time, weekly, and the rest of them here? You must specify all these things now. Okay. Then what about the unit prices? You can put that one here. Then tax. Are you taxing this product? Are you paying tax for it now? You can say, okay, maybe 2% or 3%, Abby. Put it there. Then when you done, you can know what now? Let me just say, okay, beard gram. Let me put price here as what? Maybe 5,000 or 25. Then here can be what now? Here can be, let's say, 35, right? And I will not do what? I will not save. Let us see if it will be saved now. Can you see now? Is it saved or not? I think it's saved though. Let me refresh here. Let us see if it will come. Of course, it has to come back here, Abi. Is it coming here, Abi? Yes, you see now, it don't come, Abi. This is our what? Our beard cream. You see now, this is the product code, Abi. Yes. So that is just it, guys. So you can see that we have market space here, Abi. See marketplace here. This is where you can actually do what now? You can see other tools here that you can actually do what now? Integrate into what? Into your pipe drive. Is it hard? It's not hard though. Okay, it's not hard. Then here you can see that we have more here. You can see where we have what? Import data, export data, document, automated what? Assignment and automations, Abi. So at this point now, let me take some questions. Now, create a form for you guys now to what now? To fill for me so that I can what? I can actually what? Get to have you guys there as my contact here. So I'll come to my web forms there. See web form here? It is also, it's just under what? Under leads. You see leads here? You see web form here, Abi? Go to what? Try web forms there. Click on it. Now, it's what it say what they say choose from what from templates, right? I mean we are done with it. I mean we are we are not new here now, so this one should not be new to us in it. So I can click on what now? So registration and be click here. That person they use that techno. God. Uh la 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 la. Okay, let us do what. So what do you do now? Say what? Create form Abi. See it here, Abi. Create form now. And I'll do what now? I'll start doing what? I'll now start entering what I need from you guys, Abi. So you see it here now. This is simply my form here. Can you see it now? You see where they say registration here? You can put okay. You can put okay. I'll just say okay. Welcome to what? Welcome to what? Welcome to what? Or town one what? Or town one what? Tutorial on what? On pipe what? Pipe drive. In it. Yes. Okay. So you can click on what now? Save. You see it here now? You see it here now, Abi? I can even see remove it and make it short. You can say, okay, let me just say, okay, say, town one what? Or town one what? Tutorial. That kind of thing. So when you're done, what do you do now? Click on what? Save. You see it here now, Abi? Good. You say what? Person name, Abi? Person what? You see person name here? Person what? Email. Person phone. You see it now? Your company name, Abi? You can even remove it by what? Clicking on this small trash can here and it will go away, right? That kind of thing. Now, if you want to add more, what will you do? You can simply do what now? You can still add more. You see where they put this plus here, right? When you come in, you can do what now? You see the plus here. Click on the plus now and then add what you want to add, right? You can even say your village name, right? You can say, okay, let us say what? Your village name. And call it whatever you like here. Let me call it what? Let me just say, okay. La da la da la la la. Oh. I think we have actually put everything here, so I think there's nothing more to add here. But in case you just like, I can actually put one now, add some more things here, okay? But let me just leave it like that. So here now, I think I'm okay now. I can simply say what? You see save here? It's already active, Abi. I can simply say what? Save. Click on save now, and it will be what? It will be done. This is our what now? This is our what? This is our what? Our form now, right? But I want to send to you. What will I do? You see these three dots here? Click here and do what now? You see where they say share and embed here? Click on it to get the link now. Yeah, are you seeing the form link here? Yeah, this is it now. Now tomorrow now I'll teach you how to what how to embed it in a what in a website. Okay, that is my job for you guys. But I want you guys to what now to fill it up so I can actually see you guys here on my what on my CRM as a what as a lead in it. Yes, you people are my what members. So I'll paste it for you guys now to go and what respond to me. Please fill it up tomorrow morning. Or sorry, tomorrow night, 9 p.m. We'll be here again to what to practicalize with it. So you can see how to send email, how to embed the form on a website, how to actually set up your what your lead qualifying chatbot. We are going to do that one tomorrow. Okay, I don't want to rush you guys with this. I want to take it one by one. Then Chiamaka Victor has something to say. Please, sir, Abi, madam, what do you have to say, sir? Fill the form. Oh. I have my contact here. Now you people are here. Can you see your names here? This is it, isn't it? This is it now. This is your Cynthia Bedford. This is Cynthia Bedford, Angela, and Angela Ijobubu is here. Merit, Peace, Precious, Kingsley, Moses, Agbo, the Ucheson PLC. You see it now? Moses now go student. In the put name, but we really see his name. Hey, yeah. Ndo o. So you see now, so that was how we were able to work now to get our leads now, right? So let me go to my leading box to show you guys now. Can you see my leading box here? Look at it here. Now let me ask. Now let me ask somebody here. Let me ask. Who will I ask? Now, let me catch somebody now that is not learning very well here. Let me catch somebody. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, Edet Eta, are you here?